अम्मा घड़ी सा हम आए हैं उदयपुर. Udaipur was discovered by Maharana Uday Singh and it is famous for its lakes, beautiful palaces, mountains, room and tiger garden. और इसी एक प्यारी सी सुबह जिसने हमारा वेलकम किया उदयपुर में हमें मिला एक हिडन जेम जो काफी ज्यादा प्रिटी और लग्जूरियस था. इस व्लॉग में हम आपको दिखाएंगे ये पूरे होटल जो पहले एक पैलेस हुआ करता था उसके इंट्रिकेट डिटेल्स और फुल स्पेसिफिकेशंस में. हम यहाँ रुके थे 3 दिन के लिए and the stay was completely perfect and beautiful. So guys, welcome back to our channel. Camera सब देख रहा है and in this vlog we are going to cover exclusively Indra Niwas, our stay in Udaipur, which was amazing and pretty, and it's a total hidden gem. So make sure you watch the vlog till the end. This beautiful hotel is located in Udaipur, which is approx 4.5 kilometers far from City Palace, and बाकी सब भी टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन से आपको ये 5 to 10 minutes की दूरी पे मिलेगा. And look at the beautiful details that they have done. मैं उनका ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर फॉर बुकिंग एवरीथिंग नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी, so don't forget to check the description. Plus, I loved how the hotel is exactly as it is shown in pictures. This beautiful hotel cum palace is owned by a beautiful family and they make sure that आपके स्वागत में आपके स्टे में कुछ भी तरह से प्रॉब्लम ना आए. They are very helpful, very warm, and plus this hotel is situated inside a residential area. Roads भी काफी ज़्यादा well connected है और बहुत spacious है. So you have your own privacy while you are in the city of lakes in Udaipur. Also, as you enter, they've made sure to make every corner look as beautiful as possible. They have these two amazing, one is this Rajput and the other is this nice scooty to welcome you. As you can see, यहाँ की हर एक चीज इतनी beautifully carved है, इतने details है that you do not want to miss it, and every corner has a vibe to share with you. It is a two-storage hotel with a amazing rooftop, swimming pool and dining area. So let's go in and check out this beautiful hotel for all of us. टेकिंग माई फर्स्ट स्टेप इन हम आ चुके हैं इस होटल के अंदर और ये है इनका रिसेप्शन एरिया which is काफ़ी huge, काफ़ी spacious and very prettily decorated with all पुराने महाराजास के डिटेल्स प्लस क्यूट क्यूट फ्लावर्स. आपका स्वागत इस होटल में होता है एक प्यारे से फूलों के हार, थोड़ी सी शक्कर मुंह मीठा करने के लिए एंड एक प्यारा सा तिलक. Look at the beautiful details that they have on every room and every wall. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हैं, this hotel in itself was a completely different vibe, exactly जैसा हम expect कर रहे थे उदयपुर में feel करने को. So we are gonna take the room tour of my room and here it is. एंटर होते ही इतना मस्त वाइब्स आता है. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल इन ब्लू ग्रीन एंड रेड. आपको मालूम पड़ेगा आगे कैसे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देर इज दिस ह्यूज वॉशरूम जो काफ़ी स्पेशियस है विद ऑल एमिनिटीज दैट यू वुड वांट इन अ 5 स्टार होटल. दे हैव इट हियर फॉर यू एंड दे मेड श्योर कि कल्चर और लग्जरी को कैसे एक साथ टच किया जाए. They also have hot water running 24/7 so you do not have to worry about it. क्योंकि हम जिस टाइम पे पहुंचे थे वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर हो रखा था उदयपुर का around 11 डिग्री सेल्सियस which was very cold but we had no problem in that क्योंकि बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था वहाँ पे. Also, this is your room at a glance. It has AC, TV, mini fridge, safety lock, a huge queen size bed, with a cute balcony where you can sit and click pictures. Plus, you have an outdoor balcony. I will take you there, but before that, you can ध्यान से look at all the details, all the amenities present in this room. This is their super deluxe room, which is lake facing. Lake facing क्यों वो मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में दिखा ही दूंगी. And it's very pretty. Also, the hotel staff is really nice. The hotel owners are really nice. अगर आपको यहाँ से डे ट्रिप के लिए या कुछ डेस्टिनेशन के लिए भी रिक्शा चाहिए तो they will offer you or they will arrange it for you. और कार्स भी अवेलेबल है, स्कूटीज भी अवेलेबल है. You just need to ask them. Now this is why it is called lake facing. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से आपको रोड तो दिख ही रहा है, बट वहाँ सामने की साइड इज गोवर्धन लेक विच यू कैन सी. अच्छे से आपको ऊपर हम रूफटॉप से दिखाएंगे. वो देखिए हमारी बीस्ट खड़ी हुई है. Also they have parking space in and out which is totally safe. Here you can sit and chill in the morning, in the evening, in the night. Anytime you sit, you have a beautiful view. Here is the room at the glance, and we were totally satisfied and very happy. I was not sure कि जैसा ये फोटो में दिख रहा है वैसा होगा क्या, because I've never been here. It's a new property, मुझे आइडिया नहीं था. But after reaching there, every doubt of mine faded away. Here we come on their rooftop, जहाँ पे केदार ऑलरेडी वीडियो बनाता हुआ दिखता रहेगा. And look at this view. I was stunned. हाँ बस एक है कि they do not have a lift, तो आपको थोड़ा फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करके ऊपर की तरफ चढ़ना पड़ेगा for your breakfast, lunch or dinner, whatever you prefer. But it's totally worth it at any time of the day. क्योंकि यहाँ से व्यू, यहाँ पे ठंडी हवा, यहाँ पे सनराइज और सनसेट बहुत सुंदर लगता है. Well, we didn't have the courage to go into the water in 11 degree, but do let us know in comments कि आप 11 डिग्री में स्विमिंग पूल में डाइव मारते क्या. Also, this is their in-house restaurant called Goverdhan, which is again very pretty. The food over here was really nice. We opted only for the breakfast. तो breakfast में हमें गरम गरम सर्व किया गया था जो भी था एवरीडे के लिए. एंड 2 दिन हमारा अलग अलग ब्रेकफास्ट था. It wasn't repeated. Plus it was गरम. Plus it was served जैसा आपको चाहिए जब आपको चाहिए तब. So we have no complaint for our stay. And this is their reception. They have a souvenir shop, they have laundry services, they have massage over here. Plus they have inculcated आपके लिए special उदयपुर का tour. Day 1 पे क्या करना चाहिए, Day 2 पे and Day 3 पे. So Udaipur is going to start from this vlog, and I'm telling you it is pretty, it is beautiful. It is a place where you can chill, where you have to slow down. So that's it in this vlog. Thank you for watching the vlog till end. And we also have a tiny surprise for you when we reach 1000 subscribers. So make sure आप वो target भी जल्दी पूरे करें. And look at the details that they have over here. तो ये है हमारा एक छोटा सा glimpse of the breakfast. And we had super fun क्योंकि हम ऊपर ही जाते थे breakfast करने के लिए. It was nice. And thank you for watching the vlog till here. Stay tuned for future updates. I hope you like this vlog. Do not forget to subscribe.